left Pasco, Washington this morning. Went to one RV spot called Four Seasons. Dirt road for about 13 miles. When we got there, she told us the water had nitrates in it. If you were pregnant, breastfeeding, or had children, or had an autoimmune deficiency of some size, shape, form, or description, not to use the water. And I said, is that like the lake water, or do you mean drinking water? She said, oh, the drinking water. So we packed up and we left that place. Drove, I think, past Coeur d'Alene, I'm not real sure, and I'll get the name of this place. Really nice RV spot in Idaho. Yeah, long day. Anyway, it's getting dark, so I will probably do a tour tomorrow morning, but I'll give you a quick look around here. Maybe if I can get up. I'm tired. My eyes are exhausted. I'm not sure if there's a river over there, but the highway's right there, but you can't really hear it too bad. There's tent camping way over there. Restrooms are right there, and there's no fee for taking a shower like the last place we were at. So anyway, I will go take my shower, and I'll bring you back tomorrow. Got all set up here, unhooked, because we're here for 3 days, 3 nights, and so I went ahead and unhooked the truck because we plan on doing a little bit of driving around tomorrow or the next day just to finally get out and do some sightseeing. So I'm going to go take a shower, and I'll bring you back tomorrow. Toodles. It's difficult to get here because of the washboard 13 miles you have to drive. The water is contaminated. Oh, and there were trains that go by, and she said, oh, there's only about 4 a night. Well, the trains, even though she says there's only 4, I'm sure it's more. There were like less than a half a block away from the campground with a place where you drive over the tracks and they have to blow the horn. Anyway, I grabbed the check off the counter and I said, well, we're not going to be staying here. It's too inconvenient. And we drove another 13 hours or 13 miles to get out of there. And we pulled over somewhere and got gas, looked at the map and found this place, which I don't even know the name. It's really hard to pronounce. I'll try and videotape it when we leave today. I want to say it begins with a K, and it's in Idaho, right off the I-90. Very easy to find, very clean. Bathrooms are nice, shower house is nice, very quiet. I was pleased about that. There is some highway noise because the highway's about a block away, but it's a soothing noise. It's not, you don't hear Jake brakes, it's none of that. So anyway, that day before yesterday, it was a pretty tough drive, a lot of miles. I think almost a little over 200 miles, I think, maybe more. And being new to driving, I had decided between 100 and 150 was my cap. I'm done after that, and I drove way over that yesterday, or day before. So anyway, enough of that. Just don't go to Four Seasons Campground in, I think it was in Washington, right off the I-90. Yeah, that was something. But anywho, so today we're gonna get ourselves cleaned up, and dressed, and take off. I stacked up some stuff in my, hold on, I'll show you. I put some stuff in. There he is. My little second, well, that was Goodwill find. I found that at Goodwill. Anyway, I've got just my spices in here and my pot holders. And then in this little cubby, I put the directions on closing up the TrailManor. I thought that'd be a nice, safe place. Thank you to my daughter Lindsay for writing out that list for me. Yeah, got that up. And